stupid. Man. Look at the lunch. 3, 2, 1. ISIS coming. Angry Birds.
When you laugh like that, you laugh like, whoa!
Where are you? What are you? Thanks. Okay. Oh, my bird is coming, stupid bird. Burn chicken nugget. Like somebody. Keep it. Like somebody. We hung up me to bed. Hey, I want to tell you a joke, okay? There was a Mexican guy pushed his wife from the mountain. Why? Tequila.
That's so funny.
Keep,
That's so funny.
We want the ship sink.
What? Watch his launch. Watch his launch.
And cannonball.
You watching me?
Yeah. To the ISS. Okay, I have a cannonball. Okay, don't cry. We have a cannonball. It's okay. Don't cry. What the? Where is he? What are you? My voice gone. What the? Thanks. Oh, look, my bird. Wait. Hello.
Oh my.
Huh? Zen. What? Hey, where's Tanks? Oh, here he is. Come on, guys. Okay, we're finding you. More balls. You want
More balls?
Come, take. Take, thanks. Your name is made from bird. Take. Here's the cannonballs.
look where our boat's at. Look where our boat's at.
Wait, take. You want balls? Take. Thanks, Pirate Legend. You are not Pirate Legend. You are Pirate Canadians. Take. You want cannonballs? Come, take.
Oh.
Take. No, you stupid. Don't put this rubber on it.
No, where are we going?
I don't know. Take, you want cannonballs? Take. Look, my stupid bird is following me. Come, you stupid. Come, so I don't kill you. Come. Yeah, son.
Look, he's gonna leave the game. What would happen? Look at her boat. Our boat flew away.
Put it in your box. Seeing what I write.
Our boat flew away.
Take Pirate Legends. I have this one.
Our boat's flying away. We're like it's gone.
Look, the mermaid, she swim like a stupid woman. Come here, stupid mermaid. I got still a mermaid. Take, thanks. Next. Take, you want the balls? Here! See, he said we need balls. When I give him, you're all idiots. What the? Look at the lunch, okay? Look at the lunch. Bam! You see the ISS lunch by me? See how I fall? Whee! I was gonna die. What the fuck? Hey, wait for me, wait for me! Wait!
you can
Wait,
so
what the
far.
Man, why don't you say?
I'm going. You sound like Windex. You sound like Windex.
Oh, I found the dog mermaid. She's smoking weed.
That's the way he said
James,
Windex.
do you want
With
the
you.
Do you have the no, stop it! Stop! Stop! What the? Shut caps.
No, don't put me in this show. Don't put me in this.
I'll put you. That's what I want.
It wasn't me though. Someone revive me. Never mind, I just died. Oh, tanks. Oh, that's a good idea.
You're a jelly